because my own elder brother celebrated 50 years of marriage, His Excellency the President, and you all saw it. He was very proud, and yet for me, I've celebrated 53 years of marriage. So I'm younger, but I've stayed longer. And I think I have more experience than him. Praise be to God.
Breaking news, Nfanfe owa Museveni amanyikiddwa nga Cecilia Ogwal afudde. Bibino ensonga lwaki agezezzaako okufa emabegako awo abaana ba Nuupu yagezaako okuyimirira ku bigere bye nagezaako okuwakanya Bobi Wine, His Excellency Bobi Wine nga President wa National Unity Platform. Bingi nnyo byagezaako era nga meetings ezimu yagezaako gamba
Accordance with our constitution, I beg to submit, Mr. President. My brother, and you know that I've been very restrained from the beginning of this meeting. I've not made any intervention because I wanted to make a saving. Mr. President, you are aware that there has been a lot of campaign against Uganda. Allow me to address Uganda's House to two critical issues of importance to this country. First of all, I would like to bring to the attention of the committee the horrendous massacre that took place in my country on Friday night last week on the 16th of June. The horrific attack by suspected ADF terrorists, a branch of ISIS, took place in the border town of Mpondwe in Kasese district in the western Uganda, bordering the DRC Congo, killing 42 innocent students of a secondary school. Uganda calls upon the world community and OACP EU Assembly to condemn this atrocious act and killing innocent civilians by terrorists. The second issue, Mr. President, I would like to address this committee on is on the issue of homosexuality bill that was passed in April by the Parliament of Uganda and assented to by His Excellency the President in May this year. The passing of this bill has caused a lot of excitement across the world.